Hi, and welcome to the second of the next search catalog tutorials. This one we're going to talk about changing your password. First thing you need to do is sign in with your current password, whatever that may be. If you do not know what your current password is, you're going to have to call your local library and have them reset it. But if you do know what your password is, once you log in, you can scroll down and click on Change Your Password. So again, you need to know what your current password is, and then you can change it to something a little longer for me and more secure. All right, now let's see if I typed those correctly. Click on that and my password has been changed. It's that easy. Again, you do have to know what your password is. And if you're using a password manager, make sure and update that. I don't know if that got caught on the screen sharing, but my last password manager was like, hey, I see you changed the password. Let's update it, which is always a good idea. So again, before I got distracted, if you know your password, log in, go to change your password, change it. If you do not know your password, call your local library and let them know, and they will help you out. I promise. All right, that's it for this one. Short and sweet.